ham radio is a lot like CB radio these days.
National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe grumpy ham radio operator warning for the following counties in Alabama and Florida: Madison, Jackson, Morgan, Limestone, and Lee. Until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed severely grumpy ham radio operator was located near Madison, or 12 miles northeast of Naples. Moving nowhere because he's too big to get out of his chair. Hazard: damaging blasts of wind originating from the grumpy radio operator's rear end, and frivolous FCC complaint. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flying debris from the rear end wind will be dangerous for those caught without shelter. Large egos will be damaged or destroyed. Triangulation and direction finding is likely. Locations impacted include Fort Myers, Naples, Madison, Huntsville, Athens, Decatur, and Paint Rock City. To repeat, a SAT radio operator is on the air. Take cover now. Turn off your radio or key down over the SAT radio operator. Repeating, a severe grumpy ham radio operator warning has been issued for the following counties in Alabama and Florida: Madison, Jackson, Morgan, Limestone, and Lee.